Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change these framed wipers on the VW Taigun, also applies to the Kushaq, the more sleeker and elegant frameless one. A lot of cars these days come with frameless wipers for the rear windshield. Now case in point, if you see the Innova here, you can see that this has a frameless wiper. Now, but for some reason, probably cost cutting, both VW and Skoda has chosen to give a framed wiper for the rear wiper, but it's easy to change it. I'm going to show you how. But before that, I need to tell you about a special tool that you need to pull this wiper arm out of its spindle. Now, unlike what you think, it's not as simple as removing this nut here and pulling this arm off. Because this spindle is tapered, the wiper arm is press fitted into the spindle, so it's not easy to take it off once you remove this nut. So you're going to need a tool like this. This is something what you call a bearing puller tool. It has two arms which can be adjusted. It has two grooves in the arms. Basically what you do is you put this arm holding the wiper on both ends, center the shaft here and then tighten it, and that will pull the arm off. Take this cap off. This uses a 13 mm socket or a spanner. So this is basically a flange nut. Now you would see there are two grooves here on the wiper. You can see one here. There's another one at the base, right here. Please get this tool. It costs all of 200 to 300 bucks at a hardware store. Ask for a bearing puller tool and they'll give it to you. So as you can see, this arm has come off. Now for the replacement wiper arm, we got one from Amazon, and this is for the Brezza, the Vitara Brezza. Take the cap off. Secure the nut. Don't worry about the tightening torque, just don't over tighten it. So we have installed the new frameless wiper. Now we'll test it out. So you could see that this length is exactly fitting the Taigun, and that you don't have to do any trimming or anything of that sort. So hope you guys like this video. This is one of the cheapest mods you could do to Taigun to make it look a little bit more aesthetic and pleasing. But please keep this in mind. Do invest in a good bearing puller tool. Don't try pulling out the wiper, because like I said, the arm is on a tapered spindle. It's not going to come off that easily if you try. So invest in this bearing puller tool. It's available in most hardware shops. Thank you so much for watching, guys.